This gorgeous custom home is built in the quintessential modern farmhouse style. The exterior of modern farmhouse is usually a white or light exterior with vertical or horizontal planks, usually punctuated with contrasting dark gray or black trim in the windows. Of course, these beautiful Douglas fir beams and the covered patio are an added bonus. Come on in and we'll show you how this quality and style continues in this house.
This home is filled with quality craftsmanship, from extensive millwork to the custom cabinetry to the 7-inch wide oak hardwood flooring. All of these elements combine for the perfect combination of warmth and sophistication.